Namaskar. Today we will discuss about optical devices for low vision child. Optical devices. Low vision devices or aids refers to optical device that improves enhances residual vision by magnifying the image at retinal image. Mainly optical devices but consist non-optical devices also basic optics. Four different ways of enlarging an image are used in low vision practice. Number one is relative distance enlargement, relative size enlargement, electronic enlargement, and angular enlargement. The next types of low vision aids. There are three types of low vision aids are there. Number one, optical devices. Number two, non-optical devices. Number three, electronic devices. Now we will discuss about optical devices. Optical low vision aids or optical devices is same. So what are the optical devices? Number one is magnifying spectacles. Number two, stand magnifiers. Number three, hand magnifiers. Number four, telescopes. Number five, intraocular low vision aids. Number six, other optical devices. These six devices are main important for optical for enhancing the vision of low vision child. Then first, magnifying spectacles or opticals. Magnification by a convex lens is obtained by bringing the object within its focal length. An erect, virtual and magnified image is produced by magnifying spectacles. High plus lens is used to magnify the images. We all know that different lenses doctor will arrange in our opticals. Plus lens is arranging in magnifying spectacles. Magnification is 1/4 the power of the lens. Suited for near and intermediate distance. Optical devices in that magnifying spectacles are suited for near and intermediate distance vision. Monocular or binoculars. It means that one eye or two eyes also using magnifying spectacles. Advantages of magnifying spectacles. Number one, hands are free. Number two, field of view larger when compared to telescopes. Number three, can be given in both monocular as well as binocular forms. Next point, more portable. Cosmetically acceptable. These are the main advantages of magnifying spectacles. Then disadvantages. What are the disadvantages of magnifying spectacles? Number one, spherical aberration. Number two, higher the power, closer the reading distance. Close reading distance causes fatigue and uncomfortable postures. Low vision child with fixation are unable to fix through these glasses. Illumination problem. The next problem is illumination problem. The next optical device is hand magnifiers. Indicated for spot or short time task in a low vision child with field of vision reduced to 10 or more degrees. Available from plus 4.0 to plus 40 degrees. Available in 3 designs: aspheric design, alpantic design, by aspheric design. Then hand magnifiers. The hand magnifier is the most familiar of all low vision aids. These magnifiers are generally suitable only when small amount of image or enlargement are required for short working. Usually used for near vision problems. Can be used along with the distance and reading spectacles or within bifocal reading addition. Primarily indicated for spot or short time task in low vision child with field of vision reduces 10 degrees or more. The next one is advantages of hand magnifiers. In that, number 1, working distance is more. That is the first advantage. Working distance is more. Second advantage, accommodation is not required. It is portable, need not to take any place. The third advantage is easy to manipulate for viewing or seeing. Then fourth advantages is some have light source which further enhances vision, called as illuminated magnifiers. Light source means illuminated magnifiers. Then we will discuss about disadvantages of hand magnifiers. It occupies both hands. This is one of the disadvantage. Not useful in absence of manual dexterity. The third point is field of vision is limited. Need to be held at the correct distance. The next optical device is stand magnifier. Already we discussed 2 magnifiers: spectacle magnifiers and hand magnifiers. Then stand magnifiers forms a virtual image a short distance behind the lens. The low vision child needs to place the stand magnifier on the reading material and move across the page to read as a fixed focus. Most people with visual impairment are elderly and often have hand tremors or suffer fatigue after even relatively short period of having to support a hand magnifiers. Being able to support the magnifying lens without using the hand to sustain a fixed lens to working plane distance. It is frequently difficult to perform tasks beneath high-powered stand magnifiers. They often have solid side and built-in illumination. What are the advantages of stand magnifiers? The first point is technically simple. Second advantage is they are a choice for low vision child, arthritis and constructed visual fields. Next side heading is disadvantages of stand magnifiers. In that first point, small field of vision. Second point, too close reading posture is uncomfortable for the low vision child. Difficult to use if the surface is not flat. The next optical device is telescopes, used to magnify distant object. We all know that telescopes are useful to magnifying distant objects. Work on the principle of angular magnification. Telescopes with magnification power from 2x to 10x are prescribed. Telescopes increases angular substance without requiring a change in working distance. Ideal for tasks that have been undertaken at far or intermediate distances, such as spotting bus numbers and reading music, etc. Useful when undertaking near tasks, as a longer working distance can be achieved than by proximal enlargement. Telescopes are essentially a focal system in which the ray of light entering the telescope from a distant object are parallel. Then types of telescopes. Galilean telescope, that is the first type. The astronomical telescopes, that is the second type. Advantages: best possible low vision aid to enhance distance vision. Then disadvantages: restriction of the field of view. Second point, depth perception is destroyed. Third one, loss of light transmission. Fourth one, expensive and costly. Thank you very much.